Hi guys, it's Harry from Scunthorpe Hot Tubs again. We're here in Rugby today and we're just about to knock on the customer's door and let them know we're here with their hot tub. Right work. So we've got this insulation here. We're going to insert this into this Apollo hot tub. The customer's paid for extra insulation. So we're just going to install it now.
Really easy. The website has got lots of information on each of the hot tubs, so you can decide which one to buy, which one's going to fit into your property, and all the additional features it's got. We completed an order, got a confirmation straight away, and I think within a couple of days they suggested a delivery date. It's been really straightforward actually. It's not taken any time for me. Harry's just got on with it and done everything that needs to be done, and it's all set up ready to go and I know how to use it.